lightning and thunder crash in the night. Babylon system trembling in fright. Pick yourself up, don't play the game, don't play the victim, don't wear the shame. Oh, trample the laws, break the chains, let peace and love take the reins. Day by day we rise and climb, awake to truth in this fleeting time. Oh, awake to truth in this fleeting time. Oh, shadows fall, but we see the cracks. No turning back, no heart attack. The walls are falling, the veil is torn. A new day rises, a world reborn. Oh, can't run, can't hide, the truth's too out. Oh, trample the laws, break the chains, let peace and love take the reins. Day by day we rise and climb, awake to truth in this fleeting time. Oh, awake to truth in this fleeting time. Oh, greatness waits when fear is gone. Sing the anthem loud and strong. Babylon's hope begins to fade, a brighter world is being made. Oh, can't run, can't hide, the truth's too wide. Oh, trample the laws, break the chains, let peace and love take the reins. Day by day we rise and climb, awake to truth in this fleeting